Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you what I did with this large glass vase. These sticks and twigs that you'll need quite a few of them, but I absolutely adore them. And some string fairy lights that I've used in past videos, so if you want to go and have a look at them. They're like centerpieces which were really beautiful, and it's in my bay window. Now I'm going to turn all these into a beautiful decorative light feature. So if you want to know how that turned out at the end, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Now this only took me about 45 minutes to make. It may take you a lot less. It's only because I was trying to manoeuvre it around to give you guys a nice video to watch. If you haven't got these little lights, then you can always use one of these little fake candles, the one with the little batteries at the bottom. You can place that inside and that will still give you the same effect. Don't put a real one in there because I don't want anybody's house set alight if you've set fire to all the wood. If you've liked it, give it a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.